Hello, my fantastic second grader artists. This week I am very excited because we get to make art again. I hope you had a nice relaxing break so you can get back to work and make some more art with me. If you haven't noticed, it snowed outside and it keeps snowing. There is a ton of snow. I hope you had a chance to maybe go sledding or build a snowman, something like that. Our project this week is inspired by the snow. Yes, our project is of a cute fox, a snowy fox. I actually saw a fox yesterday in Moline. So here is our fox. We don't need very many colors for this. We need our fox color. You could do an orange, you could do a red. Those are the kind of colors foxes are. And you will need a tree color, so a black or a brown or a gray, and then whatever sky color. Let's get right into making our snowy fox. We have our paper and it is vertical, that means up and down. And I'm starting off with a pencil and I'm drawing a V, turning that into a triangle, adding 2 triangles on top for the ears, and adding 2 smaller triangles inside of those. Remember, you can pause this to catch up and take it at your own speed. I did 2 curved lines going down to the middle of the bottom of the triangle, little dots for the eyes, 2 curved lines for the body of the fox, and a wavy curving line for the tail. And the tail hooks around from the back and it meets at a point. I did a zigzag line for the tip of the tail, a rainbow shape for the belly, and these 2 skinny V's for the legs. Added some whiskers. And there is our fox. We gotta add our horizon line in. I'm doing a bumpy horizon line like it's covered in snow. Now for the background, that is up to you on what you wish to do. I'm adding a winter forest in the background. So I have some trees. You could add more foxes in the background or other animals. That is up to you on what you want your background to be. But I would like you to have something in the background. This painting is very interesting because we have our fox in the foreground. That means he is closest up. And in the background, we have our trees or some other scenic thing. So we have a foreground and a background. Once you are happy with your pencil drawings, it is time to go over them, either with a black marker or a black crayon. A reminder, you can definitely pause this and go at your own pace. This is just sped up, so you don't have to watch me do the entire drawing. So I am carefully going on top of my pencil lines with the Sharpie, making sure I go nice and slow so I don't mess up. After you have your Sharpie lines, it is time to color it in. I'm using markers. If you have crayons, colored pencils, watercolors, use whatever you have. My fox is more of an orange colored fox. You can make yours red, or you can mix the 2 colors together. I'm leaving where the eyes are white and the tip of the tail white, as well as the belly of the fox white. I'm coloring in the ears and the legs. I'm adding a shadow underneath the fox in each of the trees. You could do that with a gray crayon or a gray marker. And for your sky and the background, it is up to you on what supplies you do and how you color it in. I decided to use watercolors. Remember, if you don't have watercolors, that's okay. Use what you do have. You could always do the marker hack where you color marker on a plastic baggie and paint like that. You could use food coloring and a Q-tip. Use whatever you have. I'm coloring in my sky with some purples and blues with watercolor. And I'm going to show you a trick that some of you may remember from last year. So I have my wet watercolors, and I'm going to add a secret ingredient to make it look like snow. Does anyone remember what that secret ingredient was from previous projects of last year? Let's see what I do. I add salt. Yes, if you guessed that, great job. So the salt is super thirsty and it sucks up the paint.
Woohoo! I bet your snowy fox looks great, and I really want to see it, so make sure you take a photo of it and post it onto our Google Classroom page. I can't wait to see it. Don't forget, we are almost done with second quarter, so make sure you get your work in, even your late work, so I can count it for your second quarter grades. Bye!